guard dog too, and he's hanging onto the collar of the guard dog next to him on the bed, and I don't want the dog to be hurt.
Where exactly is the house?
Where the white fence is.
Where the white fence is, right here in the corner?
Yes, right here.
Anybody else in the house?
No, just him and the
How
dog.
many weapons are there total in the house?
He has a shotgun, but he told me it has no shells, so he has the pistol in his hand, and he said it has 3 bullets in it.
Okay. Anybody else in the house?
No.
No one else is in the house?
No.
Okay. What's his first name?
Tyler.
Tyler? What is he upset?
Kid.
What is he upset about?
To be honest with you, he's a professional basketball player that just came back from overseas, and he was sucking laughing gas for 6 months overseas, and I think it scrambled his brains.
Okay. All right.
He's not sleeping, he's not eating.
Okay.
Please.
All right.
They attempted to communicate with him both on the telephone and with voice commands from the outside.
Come on. Is that him? Yeah, I just need to talk to you. Is that him? Tyler, just need to talk to you. Just go over there. Is that him? Yeah. He's coming out? No, he's not coming out. He's inside the house. Hey, Tyler, I just need to talk to you. Just want to make sure you're okay. You want to make it a backup? Yeah, make it a backup. X14, let me get a backup 4735 Tyrone. I just need to talk to you.
Any unit in the vicinity 9X14 is requesting backup air unit and a supervisor for Avenue.
I just need to talk to you. Right here. Can you open the door so I can talk to you? Just want to make sure you're okay. Yes, sir. Okay. Hey, Tyler. Hey, I'm the cat that's outside. I've been waving at you, trying to talk to you. All right. Right now, you're not in trouble. All right. We just want to. You haven't committed a crime as of yet. Okay. I'm trying to get you out of here as peacefully as possible. Is there any way you could help me out with that? Like I said, you're not in trouble right now, dude. Here, I'll wave my hand. This is who. No. Okay. All right. This is who I am. Okay. If you just put your gun down and come out, dude. There's camera crews out here. We got cameras. You are safe. We just want to go home to our mamas too. You know what I mean? So you are not in trouble. I'm just trying to resolve this as peacefully as possible. But you're making a lot of people nervous. You kept walking around there with that gun. Tell them we'll keep our guns down. Okay, I could tell my guys to keep the guns down. Just, let us see you lay down that weapon from the window. Just lay it down, and my officers will put the guns down, their rifles down.
Tell them not to point it at us.
Hello?
He can see you on
Hello?
the phone. Hang up.
Yes, sir.
Honeycutt then appeared at his window and pointed a gun at the officers. You will see Honeycutt fire at the officers through his window. The bullet struck a wall immediately next to the officer. The officer then returned fire.
Gun!
Where?
Fuck.
Did he point it at you?
Yes.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Hold it, hold
Shots fired! Officer needs help. Shots fired! Did he point it at you?
Yes.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired!
Hold it, hold
Shots fired! Officer needs help. Shots fired!
Here's the video from another officer.
Gun!
Where? Did he point it at you?
Yes.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Officer needs help. Shots fired!
Yes.
Covered the gun that Honeycutt used and the expended casings. The gun was a 10mm Glock. Tyler Honeycutt was 27 years old at the time of the incident. He had no prior criminal record, history of mental illness, or gang affiliation.